Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Lexus LS500 for sale. This comes in a white exterior, and we got this really sharp two-tone interior. I'll show you in just one second. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick walk-around tour, show you some of the features of the vehicle. And then, of course, if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website. We'd love to walk you through some additional features or set up a test drive. You can reach us at feldmanimports.com. So we've got power memory seats. You can see our driver's seat, sunroof, steering wheel, as well as center console here. So hopping inside, we do have a push-button ignition. So it's definitely a really unique, really sharp and classy interior. Like I said, kind of the two-tone look. We're calling this Chateau, I believe. So my mileage is currently, there we go. Mileage currently at 66,234. Another quick look at your steering wheel here. You do have your dynamic select to adjust between different sport modes here and affect how the vehicle performs. Also got traction controls right here. We do have a huge display here currently showing your navigation and backup camera. And then going back to our menu, there's our radio. Now below your display, you've got your volume controls, you've got climate controls here as well. I do have a CD player. Here is your Lexus shifter. And then here is the touchpad where you can make adjustments on the display itself. Okay, go ahead and hop out. So we do have sunshades, definitely super nice. Get that in the these rear seats as well as your rear window. So rear seats here. Quick peek back up front. Have a look at the sunroof. Coming around to the back, we have our Lexus LS500 all-wheel drive badging with a power opening and closing trunk. And push button to close. So that is the 2018 Lexus LS500. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.